let's go ahead and put it away.
Make sure everything's in there.
Why don't you give me a minute to just wipe the grease off?
Sure, sure. No, Mark, you may not clean anything.
Oh, we should also mention that this mat is sold separately. You don't get the mat with the tool.
It is cool. And I think we still have some MOA branded mats like that too, for anybody that's interested.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a big believer in putting your tools away clean.
Yeah.
Here's the other pieces that we left over on the workbench.
Okay.
The strap and the other adapter, the single-sided adapter. I'm really impressed with how incredibly fast that went for only your second time putting the tire on.
Yeah. I remember seeing something that explained why you want this,
Right.
but now I don't remember what it was.
That's all right.
It might have been if you were working on a tire where you actually really had to do more with the tire irons, and this protected, like if you were around your disc.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That would make sense.
So these things were already kind of disassembled, but you want me to disassemble that too, or just put the pieces in the bag?
Yeah, let's see how easy it is to get back in the bag.
Okay.
You always have to put Edwina back in the bowl.
Yeah.
That's your wheel spacer. That's a really obscure movie reference. If anybody gets that, I'll be really impressed.
The only Edwina I can think of was on Raising Arizona, but that's not a Raising Arizona.
That's right. They just call her Ed.
Yeah. Okay, so disassembly. Again, no tools. Just get all the pieces separate here first.
There's some serious magnets.
They really are. I guess I could leave these in, but okay. Here's the main frame. The foot. Spindle. Speed breaker pivot point, the magic ratcheting duck head, the bead breaker, and then the ratcheting lever arm. Quick release screws, the rotation stopper, tire iron, spindle adapters. This is the single-sided swing arm adapter, the strap in case you've got wire spoke wheels, our two drop center tools, and
Oh yeah, good thinking.
remove this large tub adapter. Well, how about we put it on from the right side? And again, as I'm handling these pieces, I am really struck by the production values here. Everything is way overbuilt in terms of apparent sturdiness. Everything is, very, very finely machined, welded, whatever the other processes might be. All the edges are crisp and clean. It's a very, very well made piece of equipment. And then finally, our lube. This is a bit tight if you're going to put that big tub in, but it does all fit. The instructions.
Yeah, if you don't put those back in the bag, you may not remember where they are next time.
Right, and actually, I think there's the small spindle, the thinner spindle. Do we lay it over there? There should be another spindle.
Yes.
Right, so the smaller diameter spindle and a couple adapters that go with that, which obviously we didn't use today, but okay, and then our handy instruction manual, and there we go. Yeah, as an example of a thoughtful touch.
Oh, magnets right next to your leg.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Probably don't have to worry about those bouncing around too much.
No. But, I mean, there's this obvious carrying handle here, but they put another handle at the end so that if you slid this into your pickup truck,
You could pull it out.
You're trying to pull it out, there you go. The mat is a separate item. It does not come with the kit. But that is available on the Rabaconda website. And there you have it. Start to finish. With absolutely zero practice, if that was not readily apparent.